Thank you very much. You are welcomed. And of course, I say hello to every viewers of the Albanian television. The Republic of Kosovo, in these 5 years of independence and 14 years of freedom, has reached considerable success in every field. And Kosovo, in the foreign politics, is considered as a country that has given specific contribution for the peace and stability, and continuously is giving this contribution in regional and international issues. Kosovo always has established good relationship with neighbors, and is trying to establish good relationships with other countries as well. Till now, nearly 100 countries have known Kosovo's independence. Of course, the main focus is to be membership in the different organizations, international organizations, and successfully takes part in different international conferences and summits. And Kosovo has a future, a clear and solid future, and sure future, of its integration in the European Community and NATO. And of course, it's done a lot of progress that is reached within 5 years. This progress is reached within 5 years. Of course, it tested successfully the transition process, and now we have functional democracy and are a solid state, and we are based on the law and order. If we take it as a success, the main success is the fact that Kosovo is not now overseen by other institutions. It has its own institutions, and of course it was done with the help and of our friends, international friends. Of course, it's even the decision of the court justice that gave the decision for the independence of Kosovo as a legal and right decision is said by the people that choose it. So based on the international right that is the Kosovo's Republic, in these 14 years of freedom and 5 years of independence, we see it as a country built for all the people, without taking into consideration their nationality. They have the equal rights and the place where they live. So all people that live in Kosovo are completely integrated in the institutions of Kosovo, and they actively are giving their contribution as in local and central government. Kosovo in these 5 years has continuously trying to build institutions, specialized institutions as the security force of Kosovo, the policy. This is an urgent structure that is established with the correct standards of NATO. So we are in process of completing the whole operations. So one of the institutions, faithful and trustful institution of Kosovo, built under the standards of the democratic countries and of all the world. We discussed even the ethnicity. Kosovo has progress in the economic field as well, and the economy of Kosovo is transformed in a market economy, and we are trying, so the process of privatization here has So we function it in a way, so in the policies based are that we want to attract foreign capital and invest